Hey all, Will Healy here, and I just read an awesome article for Workforce Wednesday from the amazing Andrew Crowe titled The New American Manufacturing Renaissance. And this was published in Modern Machine Shop, and I was just really impressed by what Andrew put down here. He was really honest and open about his experiences in manufacturing over the decades, and just wanted to share a couple of quotes with you. One thing that's interesting about Andrew that I really liked was he said, "I've been at major powerhouses with the newest technology and latest and greatest machines, and I've been at the small job shops with little work, machines older than me, and no heat or AC." And so his experience is broad across many parts of manufacturing, and so I really thought his insights were powerful. Andrew now teaches at a university and teaches machining, and I really thought it was interesting. He talked about how he gets to watch more seats in his classroom fill up, and he's so excited by this next generation coming in. They're excited about technology, advancements in new technology, and I am too, and I see the same thing with the programs I'm working with and the young people I work with. They think making is cool, and so they think manufacturing is cool. One quote that I thought was interesting also that it kind of blew my mind was, "I watched our workforce fight against adopting new technology. People didn't want new machines. In many places, there was almost a downright refusal to upgrade or update anything in fear of these machinists and programmers having to relearn and upskill technologies. It baffled me. I watched them upgrade their homes, vehicles, TVs, phones, everything, but their careers don't even speak of it." Wow, so true. We allow technology to enter our personal life, but push back on it in our work life, and that was really interesting. So this leader of the New American Manufacturing Renaissance, Andrew Crowe, this article is really great. I will link to it. There's so many good things to quote in here. He talks about the importance of diversity, the importance of embracing the next generation, the importance of the generation with experience, and I'll make sure there's a link in the comments to this article. Please check it out. It's a really great article. And until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?